What is up, YouTube? This is Jim with JimLopez.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Neuronwriter and SEO-writing.ai to create SEO-optimized articles at a budget-friendly price. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I do reviews, tutorials, and how-tos. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm here on my computer, and Neuronwriter is a tool that helps you optimize your articles by creating content scores. So I went ahead and logged in, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a keyword here, which is meal prep for students. And I'm going to go ahead and pick the United States Google English, and I'm going to go ahead and start. And what it's going to do, it's going to analyze. Right here, we got the actions. It's going to go ahead and analyze the SERPs, the competitors, and it's going to create a guideline for us to follow. So I'm just going to go ahead and click right here for meal prep for students. And first thing it's going to do is select the competitors to use as reference for creating a guideline. So right here, these are all the competitors. You can open each one and see which ones you want to use, but you can actually just look at the length of words right here. This first one here, content score 86, 4,000 words. We have a few here that I'll just go ahead and remove. There's not that many words, so they don't use those as examples. And I'll take these off as well, and like that, it's just going to use some of the higher content scores as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this one as well for the fact that it has a low content score. So it's giving you the ones that rank on Google. It's giving you the content score, the length, the pages, and the URL. And it has competitors list here. But as you can see, as you can go down, it's showing all of the ones that are ranking for that keyword. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next. All right, so now it's creating a guideline for us to follow. So right here we have the title, and we have the this is where the actual written content is going to go. So right here on the right you have the content score. So the highest of all selected is 86. Top 10 medium is 58, and top 5 is 65. We have titles, headings, terms. And as you go down here, you can see these are the NLP, LSI keywords that they recommended to use in these articles. And as you can go down, it has the extended. So now it's going to be time to actually create the content. So I'm going to head over to SEOwriting.ai. SEOwriting.ai is an AI writer that specializes in one-click blog posts, SEO optimized articles. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, and we're going to do the one-click blog post, which is meal prep for students. I'm going to go ahead and generate a title, and easy meal prep for students, quick guides. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill out the information right here. So we have English. I'm going to go ahead and do informative, point of view. I'm going to do first person, target, United States. And I'm going to go ahead and, so one of the things with this one here, it's going to give us the word amount. So it's recommending at least 1,200 words. So we'll go ahead and go here, and I'm going to go ahead and keep it as medium. And the power of AI models, I'm just going to go ahead and keep it at balanced. And then now this new feature they actually have is called readability. I'm going to go ahead and keep it at the recommended 8th and 9th grade. And I'll leave this blank here. I'm going to go ahead and add some images. Yes, I'll leave that information. For right now, I won't add YouTube videos. So here's the part where inside of SEO Writing.ai keywords to include in your text, you can actually just click right here and generate. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go back to the Neuronwriter, and I'm going to go ahead and copy the terms here, list of visible terms. So I'm going to copy these, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and paste those over here, and it went ahead and added. So there's some terms here that I'm going to go ahead and remove just because it added the actual heading itself. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so there were just a few that I had to remove, but that was the quickest way to get these words over. So now when SEO writing decides to write this, it's gonna include these terms, or at least most of them. So the structure, introductory, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the question, and then conclusion, tables. I'm going to keep all this, yes. And inside of SEO Writing AI, they also have a new tool, which is in external linking. I'm going to go ahead and automatically we'll put two placement uh, evenly throughout. And then this is also another thing that's new inside of SEO Writing AI. So you have a web, connect to the web. So you have the basic, which is access to a few relevant sources, or you have the deep web plus citations. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. So here we have, I'm going to start with the basic web, and I'm going to add source links, no, and real time. So here, I'm going to go ahead and create the outline editor. Click the magic bag, which is going to go ahead and create an outline for me. Okay, so here's the outline I created. I have the H1s, the H2s, the H3s. As you can go down, it created there. Conclusion. You do have the ability to publish it directly on WordPress. You can put yes, but I'm going to leave it the way it is because we're going to take it over to Neuronwriter. So I'm just going to go ahead and click once we have all the information, the one click. So you just click it, run it, and it's going to go ahead and create the article in a few minutes. Okay, the article is ready. I'm going to go ahead and click on it here. And we have 3,293 words. And if you want to see, show the meta tag, it shows the meta title, meta description. And then as we go down here, easy meal prep for students, quick guidelines. So this is the article that SEO Writing AI created. We have here is the external links, which is harvard.edu, which is a good external link. We have the images here. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna take it over to Neuronwriter, and I'm gonna go ahead and paste it, and it's going to go ahead and give us a score. Let me go ahead and take it back to the top here, and let me copy the title, and I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the uh, meta description. I'm going to paste it there. I'm going to save it. And now, without making any major changes, SEO Writing AI has created a content score of 72. So currently, the best one is 86. So on the title, we're at 57%. Headings are good at 100. We have enough of words for the actual article, and then just the terms. So if we click on the terms here, this is the content score checklist. And as you can go down, you can see usage of suggested terms, the length, over optimized, the readability is good. It has, we're at 46, 100 is, actual 100 is 0, very difficult, 100, easy. So we're right in the middle, which is good. And then as we go down here, now it would be time to add a few more of the terms. So depending on the plan that you have with Neuronwriter, you can do auto insert. So it would auto insert the terms that are missing. What I'm going to go ahead and do now is just going to go ahead and add a few, read through the article and add a few of these words to the actual article. So let me go ahead and do that. Let's see if we can improve the content score. After adding a few of the terms to the actual article, we were able to get the score up to 80. So that's a pretty good optimized article, as you can continue to add more and optimize it more. But for right now, just example, I wanted to show you how easy we can get it up to 80. We ended up adding, like I said, just a few more of the actual terms. Not all of them. There's still plenty that you can still add, but you can see the content score there is 80. So this is my workflow with SEO writing and Neuronwriter. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I use a different tool, Surfer SEO. but this is a much more budget-friendly way to go about it. You can use SEO-writing.ai to create the articles, Neuronwriter to make sure to optimize the actual content. And right now, you can head over to AppSumo, and on AppSumo, I'll put a link in the description. They have a lifetime. I think this is a lifetime deal here where you can get Neon Writer for $89, depending on which the codes. But the starter one you can do 89. Um, and like that, you don't have to pay a monthly subscription. Yeah, this is the one-time lifetime benefit. So what I'll go ahead and do, like I said, I'll put a link in the description if you want to check this one out. Also, with SEO writing, they have a free plan, they have a starter and a professional. You can get started as low as $14 a month, or you can try it out for free. I'll also put a link in the description for that. Again, this is a video on how you can use both of them tools. If this video provided any value to you, please do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I will have more videos about these tools in the future. So make sure to hit that subscribe. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.